everyone. I'm Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthi from Teach Connect. I'm a quality education specialist. Teachers will always be wondering how to incorporate experiential learning strategies into their lesson plan. But first of all, what are experiential learning strategies? Let us understand that first. There are a few concepts where the teacher would choose one of the many, and here is the list. First of all, field trip is something very nice where the children would love to attend. They would love to learn hands on. Their own experience and reflection would allow them to do an innovation. Role play. If they imbibe the particular role, they will be able to empathize with the content and go forward as an independent learner. Any biographical videos or any documentaries, if they watch, they would like to be there, like them, and not like be them. They want to grow like them about the video which they are watching. If they maintain their own portfolios, that would be a lovely thing for them to see their own growth. Otherwise, peer tutoring or an experience from others, if they reflect on that and if they feel that they should behave in the similar manner, then that would be wonderful. Or any guest speaker coming and giving their experiential ideas, because the guest speakers will always be wonderful and a bundle of joy of content also. Therefore, if these strategies of documentaries, audios, videos, hands on, working art oriented work, art designed, art based work, definitely the children will be in a position to enjoy the content more and be an independent learner, grow further with the content, and try to be working on their own innovation. Ultimately, experiential learning will lead to innovation. Now, how to incorporate these activities into the lesson plan? We cannot have one activity alone because one size may not fit all. Now, what are the realistic goals which you want the students to achieve? That is, what's the learning outcome which you feel that you should get from the student? Then, how the present topic, the children can learn the present topic and the context into which they should go into, how to relate the unknown to the known. Then, based on the group of students, based on the learning capabilities of the student, the teacher should have a different method for a different group. If you can incorporate any activity and that excites students and everything with hands-on, the children will be able to learn better. Definitely, after the experience which they get, let the children reflect, and the teacher also is supposed to reflect on this in the form of an assessment. Let us try more than one activity for the students in the classroom. Give them a menu instead of one activity. Children will learn faster. That sharpness in creating the activity, that joy while creating the activity, the teacher should experience. She must try to evaluate herself as to how the children would learn better with this sort of experiential learning. The experiential learning can also be an art integrated activity or a cross disciplinary activity, interdisciplinary activity, or an interdisciplinary activity. Isn't that interesting? Thanks for watching my video. Be a part of this movement of quality education and improving the quality of education at schools. Share this to somebody who you feel they might need this video. Thanks for watching.